Okay, Rebecca, if you say so.
I do say so because it's true. Anyways, I'm going to show you how to get to Rebecca Land. First, you're probably going to start right here on Earth. Most of you, other than my alien friends.
Rebecca, you don't have alien friends.
Yes, I do. Because I'm popular all over the place. Anyways, back to the map, Joe.
Whatever.
And then you're going to go and then fly. And then fly on a pretty pink unicorn. And remember, these are qualifications. It has to be pink. It has to have a purple horn. It has to have purple hooves. And it has to have pretty blue-green hair. Otherwise, it won't work. Okay. It may be hard to find because they're really rare. But sometimes you can get it. Anyways, and then, well, and then you'll land on stars, on Starland. And then, after you're on the stars, it will burp out a blue butterfly. And the butterfly has to be blue. Otherwise, you're going to have to feed the unicorn until it burps out a blue butterfly. Anyways, then something magical will start happening. And then it'll turn all bright and yellow and frosty. And then it'll go BAM! And turn into a gigantic blue butterfly. And then what you have to do is you have to sit on it. And then it'll go and then you fly into the land stars. And eventually your little pathline thingy, because you'll actually be able to see it, will start turning purple. And then BAM! You'll see a pretty rainbowful, colorful, heart-shaped planet with an R on it. And you end there. And that's Rebecca Land. Anyways, Joe.
What, Rebecca?
Get me a chair. I'll do it. Thank you, Christy. Whatever. Stop turning to Joe. Are you guys dating or something?
No way.
No. Are you sure? Because you agree with each other.
Shut up, Rebecca.
Yeah, shut up, Rebecca. That is my catchphrase. Hey, I'm back. And guess what? I'm planking. Because planking is fun. And I wrote a planking song. Yeah, I wrote it too. Shut up, Christy. Give me some credit, Rebecca. Gosh. Okay, fine. Christy helped write it. And I have to give her credit for it, apparently.
Yeah, you have to give us all credit from now on.
Shut up, Joe.
Okay.
Anyways, I'm planking. Now you're gonna hear the planking song. Planking. Planking. So cool.
So fun.
So in.
So easy.
You can plank anywhere. Hello, hello. Except for this. That's hot.
And painful.
Anywho. Yep. Back to the song. Planking is awesome. Just like me. You can plank here. Here. Here or here. Just plank. Just plank. Just plank. Plank it down, Joe.
Okay, try it. Planking. Planking. Word. I mean, plank.
Yeah, good job, Joe. You're really good at planking it down. I agree with Rebecca for once.
I feel popular.